Hello guys, in this video we'll try something different. These are puzzles that me and my team will be solving on Lichess. The rating for the current puzzle is 25-28, quite a high rating, and we're gonna run you through our process of analysis in this endgame and how we realize the correct decisions and moves. White recently moved his king from g1 to f2, which was a big mistake, and allows white to exchange the queens at the right moment and position his king on a key square. If you remember, key squares are those squares that we need to occupy with our king in order to promote our pawn in the endgame. And let's see how that works. The right move for black is queen to e4 and check, and if white will take, then we take with the pawn and position our king on the square c2. That's the key square, and once we reach there, there's no way white can prevent us from converting the pawn. So white takes, we capture. Doesn't matter that the white king is trying to prevent our pawn. Once we step on c2, the black pawn, it's simply converting and we will win the endgame. As you can see, it's minus 60 for white. Going back. Now, the best move for white, it's a tricky one. Queen, it's interfering in the check. And now will be wrong for black to capture the queen because it will be enough for white to get a draw. So we need to gain a tempo. This time our king is too far away from our pawn to be able to support it for conversion. It will be a mistake to move our king to c2 because that again will benefit white. Once we move our king to c2, white again is not going to take, it's going to push the g pawn, and our king would simply stay in front of our pawn and slow it down. So we move our king to b2 in order to be able to exchange the queens and then promote our pawn. So let's say white goes for g4. It made no difference if he was moving king to d2, because once we take his queen, he had to take again with the king. Now you can easily see that there's no way for white to prevent our pawn, even if he's trying to attack the pawn. Our king this time took the key square b2, not c2. And this is how you win this endgame. See you next time.